Hey guys, I'm Rusty McDaniels with Mossy Oak, and today we're talking trail camera tips. Here's one I think that a lot of guys might overlook, but it has to do with batteries and SD cards. My suggestion would be go with lithium batteries 100% of the time and go with a larger gig SD card 100% of the time. The last thing you want is to go with the cheap batteries and the camera end up dying on you and you miss that shot that you're looking for. You miss the intel that you're trying to gather on your property because you went with a small card, because you don't know how long it'll be before you get back in there, especially if you're running multiple trail cameras. It takes up a lot of time. And as I said, lithium batteries, they'll never die. You can put lithium batteries in one of these things, last over a year. You don't have to worry about that. Cost more, yeah, but you'll end up spending just as much or more money buying cheap batteries and multiple trips in and out changing batteries, when if you'll just go with lithiums and bigger cards, you'll never miss anything.